This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy M17 5G. Samsung Galaxy M17 5G is a budget 5G smartphone made for people who want fast internet, big battery, bright display and a trusted Samsung brand at a low price. It is good for daily use, online classes, social media, videos and normal gaming. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen, Full HD Plus resolution, 90 Hz refresh rate. This means clear colors, smooth scrolling and good for watching videos. This smartphone comes with Exynos 1330 processor and made using 5nm technology. This gives smooth daily performance, good multitasking and decent gaming for the price. This smartphone comes with 4GB or 6GB or 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. You can expandable the storage up to 2 terabyte. So you can store photos, videos, apps without any worry. This smartphone has rear camera and it has 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization and 5MP ultra wide and 2MP macro. And it has a front camera and it has 13MP. And it is good for daylight photos, selfies and video calls. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery and 20 watt fast charging. This gives full day battery for normal use. In case of software, it comes with Android 15 and Samsung provide long software update support. Samsung promises 6 years of security updates and 6 major Android updates, which is much better than most budget phones. So the phone stays new and secure for years. This smartphone has 5G support, Gorilla Glass protection, IP54 water and dust resistance and side fingerprint sensor. Now we will see pros of this smartphone. First one, Super AMOLED display, very bright and colorful for this price. Second one, big battery, easy one full day usage. Third one, clean Samsung software, simple and beginner friendly. Fourth one, long software update support, good for long term use. Fifth one, 5G connectivity, future ready internet. Sixth one, expandable storage. You will not run out of space. Now we will see cons of this smartphone. First one, average gaming performance, not made for heavy gaming. Second one, low light camera is normal. Night photos are not the best. Third one, no charger in the box. Fourth one, 90 Hz instead of 120 Hz. Some competitors offer higher refresh rate. Now we will see customer positive feedback. Users mostly like excellent display quality, long battery life, smooth performance for daily tasks, good value for money, trusted Samsung brand, and comfortable in hand feel. Many buyers say it is reliable budget 5G phone for regular use. In India, price of this smartphone is 12,499 rupees to 15,499 rupees, depending on the RAM variant. In US, price of this smartphone is $150 to $185, depending on the RAM variant.